Hi guys, welcome back. Luke is here. Today I'm gonna show you how to test the alternator with a voltmeter. So as the car running, you want a car running, and if it's possible, you have to put in a jump pack. So as you can see right there, red lead to red lead to the battery terminal, and the black lead to the black lead to battery terminal. And make sure you set your voltmeter to a direct voltage. And next, I just want to confirm the battery is bad. So I tested the cold cranking amp. As you can see right there, that is the battery tester. If you like the content, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. It's really helped me to grow this channel out. I really appreciate that if you do that. And as you can see right there, I am looking for the cold cranking amp on the battery. It usually say on the battery. And by the way, I also have a Q&A every week. The link is down in the description, and please hit the link to sign up. And the Q&A is free. I host this Q&A for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So if you have any question regarding about your car or your car problem, please don't hesitate to sign up the Q&A, and I will see you in the Q&A. And as you can see right there, the battery turned out to be bad. The cold cranking amp is below the spec from the factory. So the cold cranking amp is very useful because if you in cold climate, you need at least like 400 cold cranking amp to crank your vehicle when the weather is cold. And as you can see right there, it is 293, and it is below spec. So minimum is, I recommend, it has to be 350, but for my years of experience from this is I recommend at least 400. I mean for any climate, but in a cold climate is 400. But as you can see right there, the voltage tested out to be 12.87, but it's good for temporarily for that voltage rating. But when you in a cold weather situation, the cold cranking amp is less than spec, then you can't crank your vehicle. So it's not enough juice to energize the starter once the weather is cold. So this battery is failed, so I recommend a new battery for this one. And as you can see right there, is brand new battery. So here's a quick tip for you guys. When you install the battery, make sure you install the positive terminal in first, and then the ground is on the last step. So always put your positive terminal on, then the ground is the last step you want to put on. And once again, if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. It's really helped me out to grow this channel. So as you can see right there, that's a positive terminal I am working right now. So for those you who don't know, the positive is always red and black is always ground. And that's all, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you next time. And you can watch this video next.